Well, today we have this device here, which we're going to be able to recover in a very easy and simple way. In this video tutorial, we're not going to use PSE. We're going to use a completely phosphorus monosulfide-free method. What are we going to do? Well, we always recommend watching the step-by-step video tutorial to solve this problem, since most of our phones are gone. Working when it enters when we press the power button, volume down button at the same time. When it restarts, we release the volume down button and hold the volume up button, and then when it shows the Samsung logo, we release the power button, thus we enter what is recovery mode. But in some cases these methods are no longer working. It is no longer working, we are going to use another totally updated method. But we are not going to use the PC either, we are not going to use any of that. As the title of the video says, remove a screen lock without using the PC, but what are we going to use? Instead of a PC, we are going to use what is a USB-C cable with the same inputs. These updated phones already have these USB-C cables with the same input. Well, what else do we need? We need another additional phone. Any, no matter the model. The only thing that has the same input to show us charging, we are going to introduce it. Sometimes in some of the cases it usually suddenly appears this charging. As you can see, it says charging there. Now we are going to turn the tip to see if it happens to us. Here, and as you can see, it already happens to us, the load for here. Now what are we going to do? Well, we are going to press the power button, volume down button at the same time. We touch the screen to see when the device restarts. We release the volume down button holding the volume up button, and when it shows the Samsung logo here, we release the power button to enter what is recovery mode. As you can see, we used the PC and our phone entered recovery mode. Having said that, now what we are going to do is go down where it says Wipe Data Factory Res with the power button we are going to select. We go down and click where it says Reset Factory Settings with the power button. Ready. Now this information that appears here is because our phone is reset. All that information that we had on our phone has been deleted. After we do that, in the first option with the power button, we give it, and we are going to wait for our phone to restart completely. In some cases our phone may be left with the Google account. For that we are going to explain at the end of the video. To see if it was not left with that account. Well, now our phone restarted completely. To do is click here on Start. We click on Start again. We're going to click here on Next. Here we're going to see if our phone was left with the Google account. If it was, it wasn't, what we're going to do is remove the lock. We're going to remove that lock here. We'll see if our phone would be left. We're going to click here on Skip. We click on Skip. If it gives us access, it's because our phone was not left with the Google account. As we can see here, it gave us. We click on Skip, it gave us that option. That means that our device was completely also unlocked from both the screen lock and also what is the Gmail account. As we can see, we recovered both options. Both the screen lock and the Google account.